How to transfer Roblox account to another device. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Make sure you are using the updated version of the app. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Once you are in this page, now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option of Logout. Click on it. And then once again, click on Logout. Once you have been logged out of your Roblox account, now what you want to do is head over to another device that you're using. Over there, move into your application Roblox. Tap on Login. In there, you have to enter your login credential of the Roblox account that you want to transfer or use. Simply enter your username and the password of your account. Once done, tap on Login and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.